Hello everyone, Martins here. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how you can sell your USDT on ByBit exchange. This particular video we're going to be looking at how we can trade USDT for Naira and Nigerian Naira. Okay, so now the first thing you have to do is to log into your ByBit account. It's assumed already you have a ByBit account and that the account is verified. If you don't have a ByBit account, there's a link below this video that you can use to create a free account for yourself. All right, and so you log into your ByBit account, and then you go to, from the home page, you click on, right, so that's home page. Now you click on ByBit crypto, and then you go to peer-to-peer. All right, so from that there'll be drop down video window, then we'll go to peer-to-peer. That's peer-to-peer here. Right, so in the peer-to-peer session, yeah, that's where you do your trading. All right, and you're either buying or selling. So the default page you land on is the, let me just escape from there. Okay, all right, so yeah, so this is your peer-to-peer. So this is where you buy and sell. Now default is buy. You see the green button for buy, but in this case we're trying to sell, so we change it to sell. Okay, the red button for sell. So we're selling our USDT. It's already here. I've already been transferred to this exchange. All right, so the USDT is there. Now then we are trading it for Naira. So we're going to change this currency here from Euro to Naira. So we click on the Euro, and then we now type in NGN for Nigerian Naira, and then it will appear. Then we can select it. So these are the pairs we are trading, USDT against Naira. Okay, so now before you proceed, the first thing you have to do is to go to this peer-to-peer user center. All right, there you can then add your bank details where you want the money paid into from the buyer. You want the buyer to pay you, and this is where you go into to put in your bank details. So here, this is where you scroll down and you come to where it says payment method. All right, then you add your payment method. You can see I've already added the payment method here, which is by bank transfer, and the account name and the bank name has been added. It's OPay Bank. Okay, all right, so if you haven't done that, you just click on this add button. All right, and then a window will come where you can just select payment method, in which case it will be bank transfer, and then you just go in and put in the bank name, account number, and then because I already put on those other details previously, so I can actually put on a different bank account. For example, I can add money points to this account. So all right, so what I need to put here actually is the account number. Okay, account number 8033. Yeah. And then the branch is not important. I just put, because online, so I now put money points. Okay, money points. All right, so right, so I can just say confirm. Okay, that's it. All right, so when I say confirm, I will now need to authenticate this, with my Google Authenticator. So that's 779634. All right, so it should go now. Right, that's it. So that's it done. So you can see another bank account has been added, which is the money point. All right. Okay. So that's it, right? So that's the money point. Okay, I've just added this so that you can see how to do it. Okay, so I can actually delete this. All right, so I don't want to keep confusion. It's a new bank account, but I want the money to go to OPay for this transaction, so I'm just going to delete this, and I just confirm delete. Okay, all right, so that's gone. All right, so that there is no confusion as to where this payment should go into. All right, for the buyer. All right, so I just did that to show you how you can add. So let's take it out. All right, 042. All right, so that's it's gone. All right, so we're back to the OP. So that's it. So after you've done that, you go back to your peer-to-peer where you do your purchase or selling. So we'll go back to sell. Okay, we are selling. All right, so I think we should try this lady peerless. Okay, let's try this lady peerless. Let's sell to a lady. See what's gonna happen. All right, lady peerless. Okay, so all right, so she just drop an active pay phone number for sweep payment. So here is all. We're selling all, and payment method is bank transfer, which is our OP account, and we're clicking on sell. Okay, so let's wait for this to load up. All right, so we have a deal. So transaction is going to take about 30 minutes. Okay, so she said to drop active phone number, which I'm going to. All right, so that's my account details, and this is the button. As long as I get this payment of 215 around 29.39, so I will release the account. All right, okay, let me check. They seem to have paid. Let me check the OP account to see. Okay. All right, the money has been paid, so that's it, and I'll release. All right, so release comes. All right, so this is really swift. Payment came pretty fast. So 6, 5, 4. So that's it. So I've released it. So that's it. That's how it's done. I've sold because the money has been paid into my OP account directly, and that's it. So it's a pretty straightforward thing. So that's how you sell. All right, and that's it. So I hope you found this useful. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and then so that you keep informed when next I post a video. So thank you for viewing, and this is Martin signing out. Cheers.